Welcome back to Envelope Diaries. This is my first week of May, and honestly, this week of May feels like a transition period. I know I keep throwing that word around a lot in these videos, but that's exactly what is going on. Your girl is in a transition phase. I'm still in the daily pay cycle right now, but my focus is finally shifting from surviving week to week to getting back to my full checks. This week I paid my April car note in full, the $280.39. So far I pulled out about $665.15 in daily pay, and at this point I really don't want to pull anything else. I don't, because the check that's coming up for next week is going to cover that full amount, and I'm tired of the daily pay cycle. I'm so tired of it. My goal now is to stop depending on early access money so I can start receiving my normal checks again. My phone bill is due on Friday. And instead of paying all of it at once, I'm thinking about doing another 7-day plan just to keep things manageable while I transition. I also started my new job this week. I'll receive my first bi-weekly paycheck on the 25th, and by that time, I want to be fully out of the daily pay cycle. Next week, I'll most likely need to pull money to cover my rent, contribution, and insurance. But by week 3 or 4, I should finally start seeing my full checks again from my weekly paying job. So right now, I'm trying to stay focused on the bigger picture, even if things still feel a little tight in the moment. This week isn't about perfection for me. It's about restraint, patience, and preparing for stability. I'm learning that getting ahead financially sometimes means sitting through the uncomfortable middle, and this middle is truly uncomfortable for me. I am planning a move that is doable. It's doable yet urgent. Urgent as in within the next few months I plan on moving. And with me moving, I plan on being fully furnished as well. So this transitional period, I'm surviving. I'm surviving, and I'm taking you guys through the journey. I am thinking about doing a mini series. It does have to do with my finances. I like on my channel that I am able to show you guys not only my budgeting process, but how I spend my budget as well. I think that's something that really takes my content to a different level from the typical cash envelope stuffing girlies. Love them down. You know it's tea when you see them two fingers touching. But me personally, I am a very visual learner. So you can tell me something and I will understand it. But to be able to implement it, I will need to be shown how to do it step by step, as well as showing me the results of what I am doing, things that I'm working towards. So that's my plan. And I'm really excited to be able to show you guys this mini series that I will be implementing here on this channel for my move. I think that if you're anything like me, which I know my people, my community, y'all similar, I believe y'all gonna like it. So with that being said, let's wrap this up. This is my week. This is my week 1 May plan, a transition week, a rebuilding week, and hopefully the beginning of the end of this cycle. Responsible is the new rich, and this week responsibility looks like thinking long term. Thank you.